someone's junk right here. There's a weed whacker. Fucking weed one. Alright, so we're going back here and exploring a little bit. I know it says do not enter, but that's just a recommendation. That's not really a it's not really a law or whatever. Alright, here we go. Alright, nice. Very cool, very cool. Uh-oh. Here he goes again.
See, I told you I shouldn't come back here. It's the second time this is I don't like off-roading with this bike.
Oh, you're good, my man.
Lucky I didn't get it caught up on it.
We're going. Ow! Damn it. Oh shit. I'm sliding. I don't think we can make it up there. What about over there?
This looks like a trail back to the, whatever the hell that building is back there.
Yeah. Ow, ow. There we go. Oh, that was fun. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, monkey man.
Don't go down there at the wall.
Is it?
I want to hit that on my 10 ramp. That's like one of my dreams. Oh, there isn't a wall. Oh, there's a wall there.
Oh,